Method 1 is using internet. Simply open online2pdf.com and scroll down, click on select files, and then select the images which you want to convert. For example, I am selecting this, pressing Ctrl and also selecting this. Click on open, and now these two are selected. I want to merge these two and I want to convert them to PDF. For example, if you want to convert them to Word, you can select here, or you can convert it on in Excel, PowerPoint, or in any format which you want. All these are available here. Okay, so I'm just clicking on convert. Now the files are being converted. Just wait. Now it is being downloaded there. Just click on these and these are converted. Now method 2, which is without internet. Simply open your Microsoft Word and now click on insert, select pictures and press Ctrl and select the picture which you want to convert. I have selected these two. You can see here. You can also change the size of these by double click and you can see here. Okay, now click on, now just go in file, click on save as, click on browse desktop. I want to convert them to PDF and I am putting name 2. Now you can see, yeah, this 2 is converted one. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. Please share it if you like it.